Welcome back to another episode with myself, and I like to start with some amazing facts. Did you know that an egg pancake is also known as omelette? Yes, I am so desperate. So here's what I did. I've put together clips showing how I would have color graded if I had the same footage. Now there are a lot of limitations with this because I do not have the raw files and I am so lazy. So this is what you'll get at the end of this video. I've done something with the settings which I think is a way to retain the raw files, but it's actually not the conventional way. I mean, there's no conventional way, but I think the only way to get the raw files if you have the raw file directly by yourself. But I've reduced the blacks, saturation, and increased the shadows, and reduced the contrast all the way to 0 to achieve somewhat similar to the log files, which makes color grading so easy. Silent footage of me color grading. I hope it is fun and blah blah. So I hope you liked what you saw, and if you want me to continue doing this, you know what to do. Comment what movie you want to see next and I'll do it right away. With that said, it's me again signing off, and I'll see you again in another video. Peace.